How to connect a PlayStation 4 to PC or laptop with HDMI. So first, can you plug a PS4 into a laptop with an HDMI cable? Yes, you can if your laptop has an input HDMI port. The PlayStation 4 and most laptops have input HDMI ports, meaning the picture and sound can only travel out through them. However, if your laptop has an input HDMI port, you can plug the PS4 directly into it. Look at the trapezoidal port in your laptop to see if it says HDMI input. Now, if your laptop does have an HDMI input port, plug one end of the HDMI cable into it and the other into the HDMI port on the back of your PlayStation. If the port isn't labeled as input or output, consult the user manual for your laptop on the manufacturer's website. Even if you can't connect your laptop directly to the PS4, you can use the Remote Play app to play the games from your PlayStation on your laptop with a PS4 controller. And that is how you can basically connect a PS4 to PC or laptop with HDMI.